Plate number 6. Mohs scale. Minerals are usually created in nature when molten materials, such as magma and lava, cool and form crystals. They can also form from water-based solutions and gases. Crystals are the most common structure found in minerals, and these structures have a consistent and organized internal pattern. The size and development of crystals differ based on formation conditions. Additionally, crystal arrangement plays a key role in determining the mineral's shape and properties. We can deduce potential applications by examining the characteristics of rocks and minerals. Physical traits depend on crystal arrangements and cover mechanical and optical traits. Chemical properties of minerals, example given reactivity to acids, can also be evaluated. Physical properties of minerals and rocks involve their density and rigidity. Different minerals have varying densities, which we use to reliably determine their exact composition. Water's density is exactly 1 gram per milliliter. Gold is relatively heavy due to its high density, while rock salt is much lighter due to its low density. If an object or substance is less dense than water, it will float. If it is denser, it will sink. Minerals have varying levels of rigidity, which can be measured using scales. In this demonstration, we will examine the hardness scale in greater depth. Minerals and rocks display a range of colors and shades that distinguish them from one another. Certain minerals have a notable glow. The shine of a mineral depends on how light reflects off it. There are 3 types of shine: metallic, vitreous, and pearlescent, but minerals can also look dull. These are all optical properties. For now, we will only focus on hardness. The Mohs scale was created by a German mineralogist named Friedrich Mohs more than 200 years ago. It helps geologists to classify minerals according to their hardness. The scale is a simple and practical tool for classifying minerals, gemstones, and other objects based on how hard they are. The scale runs from 1 to 10, with 1 being very soft and 10 being extremely hard. Each level has a specific mineral that represents it. Talc is the softest mineral and diamond is the hardest. This scale works on basic logic where one mineral that can scratch the other is considered to be harder and higher ranked. Conversely, if 2 minerals can scratch each other, they have the same or similar hardness. It should be emphasized that scratching in the context of the Mohs scale means creating a permanent and visible scratch on the mineral. We do not mean tiny cracks that often appear in tougher minerals and are part of their natural structure. Rocks and minerals can be grouped into 4 categories based on the Mohs scale: soft, medium, hard, and hardest. The soft category, which includes talc and rock salt, can be scratched by your fingernail up to the 2nd level. The medium category, from levels 3 to 5, can be scratched with a knife or nail. Category hard ranges from 6th to 9th level. Minerals in this group can scratch glass. The hardest category is 10. The mineral in this category can scratch any material. The scale is represented by the following minerals. 1. Talc, a watery mineral made of magnesium silicate and the softest of all minerals. When touched, its surface feels greasy and can be scratched easily with a fingernail. Its color usually ranges from pale green to white or white-gray. In many industries, especially the cosmetic industry, talc is frequently used. 2. Rock salt. Rock salt is usually colorless, though it may also appear in white, gray, blue, or yellow. It forms when salt water evaporates from salt lakes or seas. Rock salt has a transparent appearance and a translucent shine. It is highly soluble in water at room temperature and can be scratched by a nail, although not as easily as talc. 3. Calcite. Calcium carbonate is an essential mineral for building rocks like limestone, chalk, and marble. Chemically, it is made up of a combination of calcium, carbon, and oxygen. Pure calcium carbonate has a white or colorless appearance. Nevertheless, if it gets contaminated, it can assume a variety of colors including reddish, pinkish, greenish, bluish, brown, black, yellow, or lavender. Often, calcium carbonate has a glassy or pearlescent sheen. Calcite is crucial in construction. It can be scratch-shaped with a knife due to its softness. The chemical industry heavily relies on fluorite. Fluorite, also known as fluorspar, is a mineral made of calcium fluoride. It has a hardness of 4 on the Mohs scale, meaning it can easily be scratched with a knife. Although it is usually colorless, impurities can cause it to appear in bright colors such as golden yellow, green, pink, blue, brown, and purple. 5. Apatite. It is a mineral containing phosphate that is found in various colors in nature, including colorless, white, blue, green, brown, purple, gray, pink and yellow. Apatite is a mineral containing phosphate that is found in various colors in nature, including colorless, white, blue, green, brown, purple, gray, pink and yellow. It is extensively used in the chemical industry to produce artificial fertilizers. Additionally, all vertebrates, including humans, have microscopic apatite crystals in their bones and teeth. Scratching it with a knife can damage it. 6. Feldspar. It is a mineral that forms rocks and comprises 60% of the Earth's crust. It can be colorless, grayish-yellow, greenish, white, or pink. Feldspar is widely used in manufacturing ceramics and glazes. It has an excellent hardness level and cannot be scratched with a knife. Glass can scratch it, but it requires significant effort. 7. Quartz. It is a prevalent mineral found in the Earth's crust. It is typically transparent or white, but can be colored by impurities. It is a solid and crystalline mineral that can be easily carved by glass. It has a high melting point and is thus used to create molds for metal casting. 8. Topaz. It is a semi-precious stone made of aluminium silicate mixed with fluorine. It comes in various colors such as gray, pale yellow, and brown, as well as others like purple, pink, or light green. Topaz can easily scratch glass. 9. Corundum. It is a naturally occurring mineral and is the second hardest known aluminium oxide. It is distinguished by its high luster, resembling that of glass or diamond. Ruby, which is red, and sapphire, which is blue, are the varieties of gemstones that come from corundum. In its pure form, corundum is colorless. The mineral is used as an abrasive and can cut through glass. It is used to make special cutting plates for metal materials. 10. Diamond is a substance made of pure carbon with a cubic diamond structure. Its color can range from white to brown or yellow. Diamond is the toughest mineral, surpassing corundum, and used for cutting glass in practice.